Hello Tech Explorers! Today, let's take our construction site lift project from yesterday to the next level by adding a touch sensor to automate its lifting and lowering functions. Let's get started and integrate the touch sensor into our construction site lift. Now, I'll show you how to program the system to lift or lower automatically whenever the touch sensor is pressed. Let's start by adding a MyProgram block to initialize our program. Next, create a variable named touch sensor and set its initial value to 0. This variable will toggle between 0 and 1 each time the touch sensor is triggered. Now, add an infinite loop block to ensure the program runs continuously. Inside the loop, include an if statement to check if the touch sensor variable equals 0. If it does, check if the touch sensor is pressed. If the sensor is activated, the motor will rotate anti-clockwise to lift for 10 seconds, after which the motor will then stop. Then, set the touch sensor variable to 1 so the next activation will trigger the lowering action. Next, add an else if statement to check if the touch sensor variable equals 1. If it does, and the touch sensor is pressed, the motor will rotate clockwise, lowering the robot. Finally, set the touch sensor variable back to 0, so the next activation will switch back to lifting. The program is complete. Let's upload it to our robot now.